position lying down. Let your arms rest by your sides, palms open. Allow your body to sink into the bed beneath. There is nothing you need to do. Nowhere you need to go. Just this moment and your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold gently for a moment. And exhale softly through your mouth. Inhale deeply. Pause. And exhale completely. With each breath, your body grows heavier, calmer, quieter. Bring your awareness now to the very top of your head. Imagine a warm, gentle light touching your scalp. This light is relaxation. It spreads softly down over your forehead, smoothing away any tension. Over your eyes, releasing the tiny muscles. Over your cheeks, your jaw, unclenching, loosening, softening. Your whole face is at ease. This gentle relaxation flows to your neck and shoulders. Feel your shoulders drop, as if a great weight has been lifted. Down your arms, past your elbows, to your hands and fingers. Every part of you is sinking deeper, growing heavier, becoming still. The wave of calm moves through your chest. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. The rise and fall. The rise and fall. Like gentle waves against the shore. Each breath drawing you further into peace. Your stomach softens. Your hips release their grip. Your legs grow heavy, resting deeply. Your feet and toes loose, relaxed, at ease. From head to toe, your entire body is resting, completely supported, completely safe. Now, imagine you are lying beneath a night sky. The stars are countless, glowing softly above. The air is cool, fresh, and calm. You feel a sense of vastness, a quiet belonging. The world is hushed. You are part of the stillness. With each breath, you let go of the day a little more. Letting go of worries, letting go of thoughts. Letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Imagine those thoughts drifting away like clouds. a soft path before you. You begin to walk slowly, calmly. Each step is light, effortless. The ground beneath you is soft, like moss. The path winds gently forward, leading you to a place of perfect rest. As you walk, you hear the quiet sounds of nature. The whisper of leaves, the distant song of night birds. Perhaps the sound of water flowing gently nearby. Every sound is soothing. Every detail carries you deeper into peace. You reach a small clearing. There is a bed of soft grass waiting for you. You lie down upon it and feel the earth holding you. Safe, supported, at home. Above you, the stars shimmer, each star like a tiny lantern of peace. You let their light wash over you, filling you with calm, filling you with rest. Now, simply breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. There is nothing more to do. You are exactly where you need to be. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. If sleep comes now, welcome it. Let it take you gently. If not, simply rest in this stillness, knowing that your body and mind are healing, restoring, preparing for tomorrow. You are calm.